I get asked a lot, as far as what value or what social value do traders provide. And, a lot of people will ask, is trading a zero-sum game? And I think it can be pretty difficult, but I think when you get right down to it, I think most people think that trading is a zero-sum game. However, it's a positive-sum game, I believe. And the reason why I say that is one trader wins, yes, and one trader loses if they're both taking the same side of a trade, which isn't necessarily me versus the same person every time. So it's not the Celtics versus the Lakers with a total compiled win-loss. Exactly. However, when one trader wins, another loses, but society as a whole benefits. Why do I say that? Because with price discovery through active trading, we all benefit. We all know the price of coffee. We all know the price of wheat, corn, oil, and how that relates to our lives is very important. So you don't need to necessarily trade to benefit positively, and that's why I say trading is a positive-sum game from the task and the job that traders and the liquidity and the transparency that traders provide. So that's one way that I like to look at it, is that trading is a positive-sum game. It's really not a zero-sum game because all of us as consumers benefit from having that price discovery, that social value, if you will, driven for us. I hear a lot of people, and quite frankly, they say that traders provide no value to society, and I have to ask them right back and say, imagine if there wasn't a free market and there weren't traders. How would anyone know the price of wheat? How would anybody know what a box of cereal or a gallon of milk is worth, or anything else that they use every day in their life? So there's great value driven in a positive sum by the activities of having traders. That being said, price discovery also aids in the allocation of capital around the world. Okay, capital has always over time moved to where opportunities and where there is discrepancies in price. So again, is trading a zero-sum game? No. I contend it is a positive-sum game. Where would you place your capital if you didn't know the prices? U.S. Treasuries? That's what the Chinese people do because they don't have price discovery. So even the Chinese believe in price discovery and free markets at the end of the day. And it's something for our own politicians to consider, that all this intervention ultimately fails, and we come back to what really works is a true free society where consumers place their capital allocations based upon where they think the best value is. And that's what we try to use the Market Profile Trading Academy to help you to find where we find price discrepancies in the market, where there is value, and when we are out of value either to the upside or to the downside. So there's the tie-in. If you're looking for some assistance in learning how to help in that positive sum game of trading and the price discovery, please join us here at misstrade.info. We've got a Twitter feed where we provide our members with 1 to 3 ideas on a daily basis, very slow-moving trades, if you will, that are beneficial. And we also offer one-on-one mentorships along with group mentorships via the seminar, online or in person here in Bend, Oregon. So thanks again. Trading is a positive sum game. I contend it is not a zero sum game. So tell your friends that you are providing great value by being traders in the market.